we have the other part. We have Sister Riffat, Sister Hala, and Sister Anwari Rasul, mashallah, the mother of Sister Riffat. And that's why this trip is so special for Sister Riffat, because she has her mother, and also it's so special for me because I have the family members. And now we ask Sister Riffat. So what's your impression about the Umrah trip?
Unbelievable. I never planned for this trip. I literally planned it in 3 weeks. I had no idea I was coming to.
Okay, can you make it louder because of the noise here?
Unbelievable. I never imagined that I would be going for Umrah this year, and that it would be within 3 weeks of an invitation from our beloved Imam Ali. And inshallah, I want to return, inshallah. This was an amazing trip because of the logistics planning between Imam Ali and the travel company and all of us working together.
Alhamdulillah. Did you enjoy your time?
Alhamdulillah, I did. And I did. Alhamdulillah. I thought I would just do one Umrah, but Alhamdulillah, I did two. And I never imagined I would have the energy to do two. But Alhamdulillah, I did the second
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
And Sister Hala told her impression in the previous video. That's why we moved to Sister Anwar and Sister Anwari Rasul. So what's your impression about the Umrah?
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This was actually my third Umrah, and I joined this because of my daughter. But the experience was so memorable. You know why? Because it was the personal involvement of Imam Ali. Every step of the way. Because then I had experience before, and I would just listen to him, and he took us through the steps. And I thought, oh my gosh, this is something new that I'm learning today. So it was Imam Ali's.
Can you make it louder?
Of course.
Because of the noise here.
I just want to reiterate that this trip was memorable because of Imam Ali's personal involvement with the group. He just pulled us in and just made it so powerful that you feel connected right away. And this was my third Umrah. But even though my third Umrah, it was so new to me, and that was the best part for me personally. Following him step by step. I didn't even know him. I just heard of him through my daughter Riffat. But the family just took me in, and that's just why this trip is memorable for that. And my connection to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Because He was the wasila.
Alhamdulillah. Did she taste the ducks and the pigeons? Do you like?
Because I love to cook.
Uh-huh.
I love to cook.
Okay.
And when I saw Imam's mother cooking, I thought, oh my God, I have a hamsafar over here.
Oh, yes.
I love your mom dinner.
Alhamdulillah. You like the mulukhiyah?
Yes. I never saw you.
That was such a highlight.
Yeah.
To have this personal.
She cook a lot for us, and the special Egyptian food, duck and hamam mahshi.
Pigeons?
And the molokhia. In this hotel, everybody smell the molokhia. Everybody ask where the molokhia.
The staff, the workers.
And she feed all the hotel.
Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Thank you.
And enough for 3 days. We still ask her, give us sandwich, give us sandwich.
And you wanted it so
In the bus, she can
Thank you so much. Allah bless
You
you.
good family.
Alhamdulillah,
Good family. God bless you
alhamdulillah,
guys.
alhamdulillah.
The dessert.